Narrow body 32. He calls it the C-Spec 2. Ooh. That's nice. What is that? Oh, carbon. That's nice.
Super lightweight.
Super lightweight.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too lightweight. New engine.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's nice.
Carbon fiber.
That's carbon fiber, yeah.
Carbon fiber.
Wow.
Carbon fiber.
This is yours?
Yeah. Carbon fiber.
More carbon fiber stuff. Freaking
Carbon
Sakamoto-san.
I like carbon fiber.
You like carbon fiber? Oh, I have carbon fiber belt. Look,
Oh yeah.
carbon fiber belt.
Yeah.
Wow, this is cool. Whose product?
Yeah.
What? Oh, this is the
HKS.
maker? Oh, HKS.
Oh yeah, it's case carbon intake kit.
Wow. That's crazy.
Super expensive.
Super expensive? Super expensive. This coming from the guy that's building $500,000 GTRs. Wow. All the way. What is this? Air temperature sensor?
No. Subaru airflow meter.
Oh, airflow meter.
This digital.
All digital, so it doesn't need it. Look at that. That's cool. Oil cap? This is new engine?
New engine.
Wow.
And one block.
In one block?
And one block and HKS 2.8.
Dude, crazy. This hood?
HKS Boycam step 2.
Step 2.
Yeah.
V-cam.
And
Whoa. That's,
HKS new tab.
wow. Oh, new turbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's running a twin turbo setup on this. Usually, Sakamoto-san would have one turbo. Single turbo.
Oh.
Right? That one's single turbo.
No. 3 tab.
Oh, that one's twin
Yeah,
turbo?
3 tab.
Oh.
Yeah. OEM style.
OEM
Yeah.
style.
OEM style 3 tab.
This one is for sale, guys. So if you want to buy a GTR that's already done, a Carbon R.
Sold out, Dion.
What? That's sold.
I want to buy.
You want to buy? Perfect.
American?
It's for sale.
You're
Oh, no, I don't speak Japanese.
how much is it?
You can ask him. He's the owner.
You own it? Then we won't buy from Liberty.
This is so cool. Look, C-Spec 2. He pretty much put this on a rotisserie and redone the whole car. So, yeah, if you guys want to order one, it takes a few years. So this one's just sitting around ready for purchase. He's running different wheels and tires for this show, by the way.
Now shaking.
Look at the clearance on this. That's insane, dude. It doesn't hit. Right? You get one rock in there, it's probably gonna scrape it. Look at this crazy fitment. Sakamoto-san made sure that the intercooler is nice and flush with a bumper. Yeah, you can't even put a finger in there. There's like the craziest detail right here. See where it mates up? These are 2 panels, but the texture or the pattern's still the same. Same up here, look at that. Oh, so clean, dude, so clean. So yeah, they tear off every single metal piece from this car and then they replace it with carbon. I forgot how much weight this actually saves. I think like 300 pounds or something. But yeah, the body kit actually is not that expensive. I think Sakamoto-san told me one time that the body kit's like 50, 60 G's. But you know, like the install process is what kind of racks up the bill.